Bonsoir, good evening. Greetings to you from the African forest. My name is Willie Langji and I serve as the regional representative for West Africa with my wife Anne. And we live here in Yaoundé, but we relate to different churches in the region, beginning from Cameroon, the Central African Republic, all the way across to Senegal. And our job here is to try to tend to the relationship that the ERCA has with all the Lutheran churches in this region, and the relationship that you love so much and the people here to love. And we're happy when people come to visit and to keep this relationship going.
The church here in Cameroon, which is the one that you know best as folks from South Dakota, is a church that's growing, it's thriving, it's struggling at the same time, just like any church, and throughout all of history. The church is involved in so many different kinds of ministries, those that respond to the physical needs of its members, its communities, the places where it's present, but also the spiritual needs.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to see you and to welcome you here in Betarehoya, which is the place where we had our General Assembly, General Synod, and we are very happy to welcome the Bishop here in this little town of Cameroon. The Bishop has come here to be with us and to attend this Synod Assembly, and we say thank you to the people of South Dakota, because many people in South Dakota have visited Cameroon this past almost 20 years, and they have been a great blessing for us. We have been happy to see them coming and to see them helping us putting the roof on churches, and also to come and work at the Ngaoundéré Hospital and to do many different things. We are very happy with the collaboration between the Evangelical Lutheran Church in Cameroon and the South Dakota Synod of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America. And we are thankful to the Lord because He has put us together. Even though our backgrounds are different, our unity is found in Jesus Christ. We are united in Jesus Christ, and we preach the same gospel. We face the same reality in life, and so we are together in the mission of the Lord.